Hello guys, so today guys we have the new Canon EOS R3. And guys, we have the Canon EOS R3 and we will unbox. It's a quick unboxing guys. Let's check what's inside the box of this Canon EOS R3. And guys, so this is the box of the EOS R3, similar with the 1DX type of box guys. So let's open now and start unboxing the Canon EOS, Canon EOS R3. And guys, first you have the strap, the Canon strap. You have the power cable, of course. You have the ERH iCap, and this is the model, guys, iCap. You have the manuals, of course. You have the R3 manual, so it's very important to read. And again, let's check what's more inside the box. And you see the camera, guys. This is the camera, but there's more, guys, inside the bottom of this box. There's more accessories inside the box, guys. Let's open and remove the cover of the box. Then yeah, of course you have your battery, which is the LPE19 battery, and you have the LCE19 battery charger, and another power supply cable, and USB-C to USB-C. Yeah, this is the power supply cable, guys. So you have two, and your LPE19 battery, 2700 milliampere LPE19 battery, of course. And you have your ER-H iCap. Yan yung model niya, guys. And of course, the Canon strap. You have also the USB-C to USB-C cable. Yan. And the LCE19 battery charger. Yan, guys. Sama na yung ano niya, cover. Yan. And your main camera, guys. So this is the Canon EOS R3. Yan guys, it's 24 megapixel full frame stock BSI CMOS sensor with dual pixel CMOS autofocus 2 and eye control AF, guys. It's very new, guys. 6K with 60 raw and 4K to 120 with 10-bit internal video. 30 frames electronic shutter and 12 frames mechanical shutter. And guys, and it's a CF Express and SD UHS-2 memory card slot, guys. Wired LAN and 5 MHz Wi-Fi support. So this is the new Canon EOS R3. And guys, it's available now in AEB World Symphony branch. And guys, again, if you want to know more about the Canon EOS R3, you can check our website www.aabworld.com.